Labor Day, one of the longest-running animated shows of all time is coming to Comedy Central.
Well, I'll have to take your word for it. I don't watch Comedy Central.
Family Guy, starting this Labor Day on Comedy Central.
This fall, it's all about denim. So chic. So sleek. It's genius. Obsessed. Only at Old Navy.
When you dare to combine sweet and tart, you get a sweet tarts rope that's so sweet, you'll pucker. Sweet tarts, dare to combine.
If you say his name 3 times, he will appear.
Beetlejuice.
A local area emergency has been declared for Cook County, Illinois. A contaminated food product has been reported to be infecting people after being consumed. Product name is Lunchly. Lunchly is a product made by popular YouTubers named MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI. People reported seeing mold in their Lunchly cheese. Do not consume Lunchly at this time. People have been reported to be experiencing the following symptoms: nausea, vomiting, difficulty breathing, fever of 109 degrees, loss of consciousness, phasing in and out of consciousness, hallucinations, loss of sleep, loss of appetite, loss of senses, and death. If any one of your family members is experiencing these symptoms, call 911 immediately. Keep tuned for updates.